Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making the Happy New Year soap. This is the new soap for 2021 because most of us are looking forward to the new year. So here I'm putting the lye water into the oils. The oils are all vegetable based, so this is a vegan friendly soap. And we're just going to be blending this together. The soap is going to have one color and fragrance, so I'm not going to need to split this up. It's going to be a little bit different from my other white soaps though. It's going to be very, very sparkly because this soap smells like champagne. So I wanted to bring that sparkliness into the soap visually as well. It actually smells like champagne and has the bubbles. You can actually kind of smell the effervescence from the bubbles. So that's why I wanted to make this one color and give it some sparkles. And so here I'm adding some of the sparkles in. Now this is a mica that will become, it'll kind of disappear in the soap, but when you look at the bar you'll be able to see when the light hits it just right, you'll be able to see the sparkles in it. It's very pretty. So this is me mixing that in. It will lighten the color of the soap slightly, but for the most part it's going to be a champagne colored soap. If you guys have any suggestions or any ideas for soap, either the fragrance or the patterns and colors, just let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to try some of your ideas. And here I'm going to put it in the mold. I'm just tapping out some of the air bubbles there. And then I'm going to fill this mold all the way with just this one colored soap. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the top. I knew I wanted it to look like a liquid if possible. It's kind of hard to do with something that eventually turns solid. So I decided I was going to put some sparkles on it and try some swirls. So here's the sparkles I'm putting on top. It's the same as the sparkles that are in the soap. And then I'm going to swirl this in, but I decided against it. I didn't really like how it looked on the soap. It didn't have a fluid enough look to it. So what I'm doing is I'm using my little spatula here to give it some waves, I suppose you could say. And then I'll add more sparkles to that. And you'll see when I'm done that it gives the top a very wavy, liquidy look. Especially with the sparkles, it really helps add that illusion. And these little cups that I'm using are biodegradable. And here's the soap up close while it's still wet. And then here's about a day later. You can see it definitely looks very, very shiny on top. And the sides look a little bit more matte, but that's only until you see them up close. And here's the first bar. And you can see how it's one color, but when the light hits it, you can see the sparkles inside the soap. And then the top has a ripply, liquidy look to it. And the more I look at it when I walk by, the more it looks like water or liquid to me. This really came out pretty, and it really does smell like champagne. These soaps will be available on January 1st if you'd like. It will be a link in the description to my shop and also to my social media. And those are the ends there. I'm going to cut those up for later. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I have many other soaping videos that you could watch as well. I upload every Monday and Thursday. And thank you for watching and have a great day.